The debate is over. I went with the iPhone 12 mini 128GB in this beautiful like royal blue color just because it's the new color. I had the red iPhone SE. That's actually what I'm using to record this video right now. SE was great. I mean, I honestly wish I wouldn't have gotten the SE because I paid like $450 for it back like a couple months ago because my iPhone X broke. It got water damage or sand in it, something like that. So I bought the SE thinking that was going to be my last phone for a while. And then lo and behold, Apple came out with the what I call perfect size iPhone. And so this phone reminds me of like what the SE should have been. So it has that awesome small design, which I like because my hands are not the biggest. So I can do everything in one hand. It's got that square design. Like, it's so easy to hold. It's so light. It's so much lighter than any other phone that I've had. That's basically why I went with the new iPhone 12 mini. It's such a good phone. I can't wait to power this thing on. It is beautiful. It is gorgeous. I love it. And I hope you guys get the same exact phone that I get. I'm not just like being like an Apple fanboy. This really is the best phone, but I understand if, you know, some videographers, photographers like that, the 3 camera better than, you know, 2 camera that this one gives you. But like I said, I didn't want to, you know, splurge $1,000 for just the 128GB iPhone 12 Pro. I just wanted to get the 12 mini just because it's so beautiful. I can go running, I can go jogging with it. I can go out and people aren't going to be like, oh my gosh, what's in Cameron's pocket? That looks so weird. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's just so annoying to me. I hate having that huge phone, but I do get where people come from. They do watch videos on their phones. They do a lot of gaming, whether that be like Clash of Clans or playing like old school RuneScape on mobile, whatever it may be. I see why people get the bigger size phone, but for me, I personally like the 12 mini. I hope you guys too. Let me know what phone you guys got in the comments down below. I'll catch you next time. Peace.